So a quick tip is if your garage door doesn't want to go down, have a quick look and see if your safety sensors are aligned. A lot of the time those things get hit by trash cans and anything like that, and the door won't go down. Sometimes it's just a quick adjustment and you're good to go. So if the door doesn't want to go up using the motor, don't mash the wall button or your remote. That could be a safety concern with your springs. Your springs might be broke. So give the professionals a call. We'll be able to help you out.